Hey guys, this is my 3D printing setup and I'm going to show you guys all my tools and all my 3D printers. So this is all my stuff that I have on my desk. I gotta clear them all up. It's a little bit clustered. I got some pliers and then I got some paint brushes and some metal brushes and my favorite tool, the Dremel. So you're gonna need some sandpapers and you also got some other tools that you need. I also 3D printed this as a scraper. So I got some putty and I got some, of course, you need 20 cans of primers because that's what you need for some of your projects. I got some airbrush tools that I barely use because I suck at airbrushing. Got my laptop set up right over here. The best part is the 3D printer. I got 2 of them. We got Sovol SV06 Plus and also Sovol SV06 Plus too. I also got a third one coming in soon and I got a new shelf that's coming in soon. I can't wait. I got some main projects over here. This is my main one. This is Sylveon. It took me 2 weeks to get that printed out, but I'm gonna wait for another 2 weeks to finish out the whole body. Got my latest project. We got Goku. We got Cockroach eating a hamburger, and then we also got Nicolas Cage, and then we also got Nicolas Cage here. But this one's a messed up one because you can see 2 nose, not good. And also got my first project, Bowser. And I almost forgot to show you guys Hollow Knight. I also want to show you guys how massive this huge head is. Once I finish with her, I'm going to show you guys how she looks like. It's Sylveon. As you can tell, she is huge. I'm going to show you guys later down the road on how to make something cool as this. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.